When
Have you ever
preparing
looked at
meals
your
for your
dog's
dog,
bowl
always
and
choose
wondered
safe
whether the best
ingredients.
nutrition
Avoid
really
toxic
comes from a
foods
bag
like
of processed
chocolate,
kibble?
grapes, and
It's a
onions.
question more
Keeping
and
these
more
out of
dog
reach
owners are
keeps your best
asking,
friends
and for
safe.
good
A
reason.
balanced diet is
Dogs have shared our
essential for your
homes, our
dog's health.
lives, and even our
Incorporating
meals for
fresh whole
thousands of
foods makes a
years.
big
Long
difference.
before
You will
commercial
really
dog
start
food
to see it in
existed,
their energy
they
and coat.
survived alongside humans, eating a variety of natural foods that change with the seasons
I
and the
hope you
places
like
they
it,
lived.
buddy.
Today, supermarket shelves are filled with colorful
Good
bags
boy.
promising complete nutrition, but many owners are discovering that carefully chosen fresh foods can play an important role in a healthy canine diet. That doesn't mean processed dog food is automatically bad. High-quality commercial diets are formulated to meet nutritional standards and are convenient for millions of families. But nutrition isn't always an all-or-nothing choice. Many veterinarians and animal nutrition experts agree that adding safe, whole foods to an otherwise balanced diet can provide variety, valuable nutrients, and enrichment that many dogs genuinely enjoy. The key word is safe. Not every food that's healthy for people belongs in a dog's bowl. Chocolate, grapes, raisins, onions, garlic in significant amounts, xylitol, and several other common foods can be dangerous. But there are also many everyday ingredients sitting quietly in your kitchen that can become healthy additions to your dog's meals when offered appropriately. Some of these foods may already surprise you. Others have probably been hiding in your refrigerator all along. And by the end of this journey, you may never look at your grocery list the same way again. Let's begin with one of the simplest foods you can find almost anywhere: eggs. An egg is like nature's compact nutrition package. It contains high-quality protein, essential amino acids, healthy fats, and important vitamins. Protein supports muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and countless biological processes inside your dog's body. For active dogs, growing puppies, or aging companions trying to maintain muscle mass, protein is especially valuable. Cooked eggs are generally considered safe for most healthy dogs when served plain. No butter, no salt, no seasoning. Scrambled, boiled, or gently cooked eggs can make an occasional addition to regular meals. They're inexpensive, easy to prepare, and many dogs absolutely love them. What's fascinating is how something so ordinary can also become mentally enriching. The smell, texture, and flavor are different from dry kibble, adding novelty to mealtime. That simple change can make eating more engaging, especially for dogs who have grown bored with the same meal every day. But protein isn't only found in eggs. Chicken has long been one of the most common ingredients in commercial dog foods, and for good reason. Lean, cooked chicken provides highly digestible protein with relatively little fat when the skin is removed. It's often one of the first food veterinarians recommend for dogs recovering from temporary digestive upset because it's gentle and easy to digest. The important detail is preparation. Plain cooked chicken without bones, seasoning, sauces, onions, or garlic is the safest choice. Cooked bones should never be given because they can splinter and create serious hazards. Beyond nutrition, chicken reveals something interesting about canine evolution. Dogs have adapted over thousands of years to living alongside humans. While they're descendant of wolves, their digestive systems have gradually become more flexible, allowing them to utilize a wider range of foods than their wild ancestors. They're not tiny wolves living in our homes. They're a unique species shaped by thousands of years of partnership with people. That partnership may explain why another humble kitchen staple has earned such a good reputation among dog owners. Pumpkin doesn't look particularly exciting. Yet inside that bright orange flesh is a remarkable combination of fiber, vitamins, and moisture. Fiber plays an important role in digestive health. Depending on the situation, appropriate amounts of fiber may help support more regular bowel movements and contribute to healthy digestion. Many owners are surprised that plain pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling loaded with sugar and spices, is frequently discussed as a useful dietary addition for some dogs. While it isn't a cure for digestive problems and shouldn't replace veterinary care when needed, it demonstrates how simple foods can support normal body functions. Pumpkin also contains beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an important nutrient involved in vision and immune function. From bright orange vegetables, we move to another colorful group that many dogs crunch with surprising enthusiasm. Carrots offer more than just satisfying texture. They're naturally low in calories while providing fiber and nutrients, including beta-carotene. Some owners even use chilled carrots as occasional treats, especially for puppies experiencing teething discomfort, although supervision is always important when introducing any chew. What's especially interesting is that many dogs enjoy chewing almost as much as eating. The act of chewing itself can become enriching, giving them an outlet for natural behaviors. Instead of rapidly swallowing soft treats, slowly working through a crunchy carrot can keep some dogs occupied a little longer. Behavior specialists often remind us that feeding isn't only about calories. It's also about experience. Exploring textures, smells, and flavors stimulates the senses, providing mental engagement that contributes to overall well-being. And speaking of surprising flavors, there's one tiny fruit that has become a favorite topic among nutrition researchers. Blueberries may be small, but they're packed with naturally occurring compounds, often called antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from everyday oxidative processes that occur naturally in living organisms. While no single food creates dramatic health transformations, diets containing a variety of fruits and vegetables contribute different nutrients working together over time. For dogs, blueberries can also become excellent training rewards. Their small size makes them easy to portion, and many dogs find their slightly sweet taste appealing. Frozen blueberries even become refreshing treats during warm weather for dogs that enjoy cold snacks. Watching a dog carefully sniff a blueberry before deciding whether it's worth eating reveals another fascinating aspect of canine behavior. Dogs don't experience food the way humans do. Their sense of smell is vastly more powerful than ours. Before tasting anything, they're already gathering enormous amounts of information through scent alone. What seems like a simple snack to us becomes an incredibly rich sensory experience for them. This extraordinary nose also explains why another everyday food often becomes an instant favorite. Plain yogurt introduces something many people associate with digestive health: beneficial bacteria. Some plain yogurts contain live cultures that may contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, although research on probiotic effects in dogs continues to develop, and benefits can vary depending on the individual animal and specific products used. Not every dog tolerates dairy equally well. Some dogs digest it without difficulty, while others may experience stomach upset. Small portions and careful observation are always sensible when introducing something new. Choosing plain yogurt without added sugar or artificial sweeteners is especially important. One sweetener, xylitol, can be extremely dangerous for dogs even in small amounts. Moments like these remind us that feeding dogs isn't simply about finding healthy foods. It's about understanding which human foods are safe, which are unsafe, and why knowledge matters just as much as good intentions. As scientists continue studying canine nutrition, one lesson becomes increasingly clear. Variety, when introduced thoughtfully and balanced appropriately, can enrich both body and mind. But we've only scratched the surface. Some of the most surprising foods are still ahead, including ingredients many people eat almost every day without ever imagining they could become healthy additions for their dogs. One of them is a fish that's rich in nutrients connected to the brain, the skin, and the heart. Another is a humble grain that's often misunderstood but can provide valuable energy in the right circumstances. And perhaps the biggest surprise of all isn't any single food. It's what these choices reveal about the incredible relationship between humans and dogs, a partnership that has evolved around shared lives, shared environments, and, perhaps more often than we realize, shared meals.